Welcome to episode 9 of Algo Trading series from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to learn how to code RSI crossover system in AmiBroker AFL. So let's get into the setup first. So the basic trading idea here is to buy when the short-term momentum crosses above the long-term momentum and vice versa. RSI is an oscillator which depicts the momentum in prices. We try using two RSIs of different time periods to judge the short-term momentum and long-term momentum. So the trade entries will be based on RSI indicator. However, by construction, RSI gives a lot of whipsaws while it oscillates up and down. So the trade exits are done using RSI levels to avoid the frequent re-entries. So when it comes to the trade condition, we will buy when the short-term RSI crosses above long-term RSI, and we will sell when the RSI goes below 40 level. The reverse is true when it comes to short positions. So let's begin with the script setup now. The first part of the script is self-explanatory. These are parameters used for charting and backtesting, which we have already discussed in detail in the previous episodes, so I'm skipping this part. And now comes the actual part of the script. First, we are setting the parameters for RSI indicator. We are setting two RSI indicators, one for long-term momentum and other for short-term momentum. Then in the next two lines, we are fetching the values of the RSI for our calculations. And when it comes to the trade condition, we will go long when the short-term RSI crosses over the long-term RSI. So this if condition verifies whether the crossover is happening. And we will square off this long position when RSI falls below 40 level. This is validated using this particular if condition. The reverse is applicable for shorting. We will short when short-term RSI crosses below the long-term RSI. And we will square off the short position if RSI goes above 60. And the rest of the lines are self-explanatory. These are used for plotting the charts, which we have already discussed in detail in the previous episodes. So I'm skipping this part as well. So if you look at the charts, you'll be able to spot the buy and sell signals. So I'm going to open the 15-minute time frame chart. So you'll be able to see all the buy and sell signals that are generated using this particular strategy. You can also run a backtest on this code. In this case, we are running the backtest on Nifty. I'm setting the time frame as 15 minutes and I'm taking only the long trades. So if I run the backtest and if you click on the report, you'll be able to see how the trade spanned out. So this strategy generated around 2,500 rupees, which is around 2.5% of your capital in 6 months time. So do give this a try and let us know in case of any issues. And if you want to play around this strategy, you can definitely do that by using various parameters for the RSI. Also, you can change the conditions on how to exit the trade. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. If you want us to take any specific strategy and discuss about it in detail in the forthcoming episodes, please let us know. We'll definitely consider it. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.